Yep, that's why I did it that way. Sophia, are you trying to buckle yourself in? Where's the buckle? Okay. Alright, bye. Sophia, are you trying to buckle yourself in? Are you going to go for a ride? Are you going to get in and buckle? Where are the buckles? How do you... Oh, show me how you buckle yourself in. Sit down on your bottom. Show me how you buckle yourself in. Where are the buckles? I know. Where are the buckles? Oh, there they are. Yeah, can you buckle them? Can you buckle it? Hey. Yeah, it's a stroller. You're going to push it? Oh, you're trying. It's all folded up, kiddo. Alright, sit down and get your buckles. Oh, silly Seamus won't. Oh, there you go. Get your buckle. Can you put it on? Can you put it on? Get the other one. Get the other one. Where's the other one? Can you wave bye-bye to the camera? I gotta turn it off. Say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye. Give it kisses. Give it kisses. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.